Good morning, everybody. Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 12th and it is 9:34 in the morning. What we are going to do this morning is look at some stocks that are a potential buy from a technical analysis perspective. I do technical analysis, I don't do fundamental analysis, so I only look at stocks from the chart perspective. This is not financial advice, I just do this for fun. So the companies that I recommend might go bankrupt tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just looking at their chart, and if their chart is looking good, I'm gonna tell you. That's it. This is one ingredient you can use in your investing recipe or trading recipe. We have 32 stocks in the stock screener of TradingView. If you want a discount on TradingView for the paid plan, you can look in the comment section below. So the first one is RDGL Vivos. So the stock is at 10 cents. So what is happening now? Stochastic is going over 50. That's a good sign. MACD is even Steven, so MACD has not crossed over, but DMI is bullish because the green line is over the red line. And in terms of the resistance, see, if I draw this like this, and if I draw the support like this, so the stock might be a buy when it crosses this resistance here. The rest seems to be looking good. Second stock, ENSV, Enservco Corporation. I don't know what they do. So what has been happening with that stock? They had a earnings report not too long ago, August 5th, is that right? August 5th. And they had a nice surprise. So the stock has been going up since. So right now, if I look at the stock briefly, so again, we have this resistance right here, and we have, and support is pretty much horizontal right here. So basically the stock broke out of resistance and is going sideways. DMI is positive, MACD is positive, and stochastic is not yet to 50, but it's getting close to 50. This is an interesting stock to look at. Plus Therapeutic. DMI is good, MACD is good. Stochastic is not yet there. I have less of a good feeling with that one. US Energy Corp. DMI is there. Stochastic is there. And the earnings are coming very soon, so it might be dangerous to buy it before earnings because who knows what is going to happen. MFA Financial, DMI is good, MACD is even, stochastic is okay, but I think this is basically going into a congestion zone, so I don't like that one as much. Chicos, FAS, Chicos. Okay, Chicos, stochastic is pretty strong. MACD is also strong. DMI is also strong. This one might be interesting. So I think this is making a little top here. And so basically this is, it seems to be in a congestion zone. Not really, we had this here, so it stopped going up. So this was a support. But now there is still another one here. There is a support that is going like this. So basically, yeah, this is basically a congestion zone. I would not touch that until it breaks. It breaks $7 or so. ARLP. Okay, this one is going up. See, we can see it like this. So this one is going up. And if I do this, we are in an uptrend channel. So basically the stock is going to go up and down within that channel until it breaks this support here. So many stocks to look at. This one, yeah, this one I don't like it. This one I don't like it either. And Toughen Software Technologies. Okay, so this one, so this will be the last one that we are going to look at. So let me see. So we have a support like this. And this is a channel basically that the stock has been going into, and look at this, it's been going into this channel. So this was the resistance, and now we broke outside of the resistance. Super strong stochastic. MACD crossed over bullish and DMI super bullish. But what is dangerous with this stock is that the earnings were positive. Okay, this is why it basically launched. So when a stock goes straight like this, it's very possible that it's coming down. So I would not be too sure about that one. So we still found a few stocks that might be interesting to look at. So tell me if you like this video. I usually do a Tesla and Palantir technical analysis every single day after the market close. So this is the first time I'm trying to do this market open kind of thing where we look at where some stock closed yesterday, look at the technical analysis of those stocks, and try to find stocks that might be interesting to keep following or put in our watch list. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.